Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how do I make $20 in just 10 minutes from Fiverr without having any skill by doing some simple copy and paste work. In this video I am going to show you everything on live screen with the proof so you can follow the exact same method and start earning $20 in just 10 minutes from Fiverr over and over again. So guys, if you are interested to make $20 in just 10 minutes from Fiverr without having any skill by doing some simple copy and paste work, then please try to watch this video till the end without wasting any time. Let's get started.
So guys, here you can see this is my order, $20 order. You can see guys, and guys, with this order what I have to do is I have to manage my client's Instagram profile. I will show you my client's Instagram profile as well in this video. Plus I will also show you how do I upload and how do I manage my client's Instagram profile from computer. I will show you everything on live screen step by step. So please try to watch this video till the end and do not miss any part of this video. So guys, you can see guys, this order is $20 order, and guys, this order is already finished now, and I got 5-star review on this order. Now let me show you. You can see guys, here is 5-star review I received from my client, and guys, this order is finished now. Basically guys, I manage my client's Instagram profile. It is very easy. I will show you, and you can provide the exact same service on Fiverr as well. You can manage Instagram profile for $20, $50, $100. It's a price you can price you can make based on how many days you manage your client's Instagram profile. So guys, for 5 days I take $20 and I make 4 posts on my client's Instagram profile. I will show you everything on live screen. How do I upload post on my client's Instagram profile? Now let me close this tab. So you can see guys, this was the profile which I managed. You can see guys, here is the 5 posts I make on my client's Instagram profile, and for that I charge $20. You can see guys, this is my client's Instagram profile, and I access this profile into my laptop. You can see guys, this was the 5 posts I make for my client. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. It's very easy guys. Once you have to make a gig on Fiverr, like I will manage your Instagram profile for 30 days, for 15 days, or you can write I will manage your Instagram profile professionally and grow your followers. You can write anything like this, and you can provide this service on Fiverr. You can see guys, here is the 5 posts I upload here on Fiverr on Instagram. You can see guys, these all are the hashtag I used. You can see 6 days ago I post this image. You can see guys, this was the image I upload yesterday. You can see, and these are the hashtag I used. I will show you everything on live screen, how you can post on your client's Instagram profile from laptop, and how you can find hashtag as well. Guys, to upload post from computer, what you have to do is you just have to come here and you have to search Chrome extension. You just have to search here Chrome extension. I don't know what is this. I'm not a robot. Please don't waste my time here. So you just have to come here on Chrome extension, and here you will have to write Instagram. You just have to write Instagram and you have to search it, and here you have to click on more extension. And guys, you will have to download this extension, desktop for Instagram. I have already downloaded in my PC. I have already downloaded this extension. You just have to download this extension, desktop for Instagram, and here you can see this is the icon it's showing. You just have to click here on this icon, and you can see guys, it will automatically open your client's Instagram profile into your PC. You can see guys, it's like a mobile. Now you just have to click here on plus icon, and you just have to upload quotes. Basically guys, my client's profile is related to quotes. So I upload quotes on my client's Instagram profile. I have 1300 plus quotes available in my laptop, so I didn't have to design anything. It's just take 1 minute to upload quotes by using this extension. I just click here on plus button, and you can see I just choose any random quotes, you can see, and I just click here on next button, and I just copy the text from here. I just copy, open notepad, paste it here, and for the hashtag what I do is I just click here on any of the hashtag. Just for an example, quotes for life, I just click here on this hashtag, and you can see guys, this hashtag has 1.7 million plus posts. So what I did is guys, I just come here and I open random post, and you can see guys, I just copy all this hashtag. This is how I find hashtag. You can see guys, this post uploaded only 1 minute ago, and it has 17 likes. So you can understand guys, these quotes are really powerful and viral quotes. So this is how I copy the quotes, and I paste it here, and I just copy all the text. I come here, I write a caption, and I just click here on share button. This is how I make 5 posts on my client's Instagram profile. So guys, it is very easy. You can provide this service here on Fiverr. Let me open Fiverr, so I can show you some more services. Just for an example, here I write. Now first let me convert money into the dollar. I just convert money into the dollar, and now just let me write manage Instagram. I just write manage Instagram, and you can see guys, there are so many services are available. I will be your social media manager for Facebook and Instagram page. You can see this person is providing $100 service. Let me open this one. $30 is the starting price. You can see guys, I will manage your Instagram account. $100 is the starting price. It is very easy to provide this service here on Fiverr guys. I show you everything on live screen. This is the beauty of my channel guys. I only show that method which I personally follow and make money online. So guys, please, for the quality content in future, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You can see guys, this person has 7 orders in queue, and you can see guys, $100 is the starting price, $250 is basic standard price, premium price is $350. You can see guys, this girl has 50 plus review already. You can provide this types of service here on Fiverr. You can see guys, this guy has 14 orders in queue. Instagram manager, Facebook manager, you can see manager Instagram profile. It is very new gig. Starting price is $100, but still 3 orders in queue. So guys, you can provide this types of service here on Fiverr. I will manage your Instagram account, and this is very easy guys. I show you everything on live screen, how you can provide this Instagram management service. So guys, I hope you will like this video. If you have any question guys, please feel free to ask me in the comment. I would love to help you guys. And guys, if you new on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. And guys, if you want to learn something extra related to Fiverr, how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr, here I recommend some course on Udemy. These are the best course guys. I personally watched this course, and this is the best course. I highly recommend guys. You will find all the link in the description. But guys, if you don't have any budget to purchase this course, you can watch my free tutorials as well. It will help you a lot to start earning money from Fiverr. Guys, please don't forget to give me a like on this video. Guys, I really don't have time to make videos for you because I have so many other orders in queue. But still guys, I am making video for you on live screen and show everything openly. I didn't hide anything. This is the beauty of my channel guys. So if you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. I will make more and more videos like this. it will help you a lot to make lots of money from Fiverr. You can see here are the some more videos. You can see how I make $1,600 from Fiverr. I would highly recommend you to watch this video as well. With this video I show how I make $1,600 in just one single order on Fiverr. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any question guys, please feel free to ask me. I would love to help you. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.